How to hide your friends list on Facebook. Privacy benefits of hiding friends list. Protects your privacy and prevents account cloning. Your Facebook connections are your business, not for nosy acquaintances or controlling ex-partners. Account cloning risks. Keeping friends list public exposes friends to cloning scams. Scammers use public friends lists to impersonate and request money or send phishing messages. Making your friends list private prevents such scams. Configuring on web browser. Go to Facebook. Click Profile Picture Settings, Privacy Settings. Navigate to Audience and Visibility, how people find and contact you. Adjust who can see your friends list and click Save. Configuring on mobile app. Open Facebook app. Tap Profile Picture Settings, Privacy Settings. Go to Audience and Visibility, how people find and contact you. Adjust who can see your friends list and tap Done. Regular Privacy Review. Regularly review Facebook privacy settings as options may change. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.